Okay, let me start again back. Let me take to the h1 tag over here. Okay, let me give again back. I have the heading number 1 here. Okay, control S saved. Right now, if I want to apply the internal CSS, means inside of my heading section, I will be going to create one tag. That tag name is style open and style close, and inside I will be going to use the element selector. Okay, h1 is the element selector, curly bracket open, curly bracket close, and I can give right now color as what? Red color. You can check control S saved over here, and I'm going to inside of your page, and you can check right now color is what? Red. So this is the way I am adding to the CSS. We call as a internal CSS. Okay, previously we are writing inside of the line, right? In that line, but right now we are writing where? We are writing to the internal CSS. Okay, sir, if suppose we have to the another tag, let me show you. Suppose we have the paragraph tag and we have to the bold tag. Okay, same things we will be write. So this is my means paragraph, and let me write to the this is my bold tag. Okay, control S saved. Right now you can check I have to the different elements are there. Now we can go inside of your style open, style close, and then inside of I can write first the element selector. If I want to be select to the p tag, I will be write p tag, your curly bracket open, curly bracket close. I want to give to the color that is called maybe blue. Okay, then again I will be going to the down. If I want to be select to the bold tag, I will be write over here bold tag. Inside I will be going to apply to the color that is called maybe yellow. Okay, control S saved. Go back to again your HTML page. You can see there are the different color is applied. It is not mattering how you are doing. It is mattering which one is much better for you. Okay, so right now this is the way we apply to the CSS. We call as a internal CSS. Okay, now but sir, if I want to apply to the many properties, you can apply. Just go over here, enter button. You know, last time we learned that like this we can create over here element selector. You can select anyway element, your class ID is depend upon to you. Okay, so you can select like this and create a different property. I want to use to the background color also for this one, and that the color was what? Color is what? Black. Control S saved. You can check same things are happening, isn't it? So you can add the multiple properties also. So right now you can check, rather than we are writing into the one line, this one is a much better than, isn't it? And even after this one we have to the another type also. This one is what? External CSS. And let me clear that 80% we are using to the external CSS. External CSS are making up CSS and your bone are different, means HTML is a different file and the CSS are the separately file. Okay, now let me go. What I am doing, let me remove to the all things again back. Okay, back. Okay, I don't want to be, okay, I am leaving as it is this one. Okay, so but I am removing to the external internal CSS. Control S saved. You can check right now again I have the normal page. Okay, what I did in the HTML normal page, in that normal page I have the h1 tag, p tag and the b tag, bold tag. Okay, bold tag, paragraph tag, and the one is the heading tag. Now what happened, I want to be attach, or I want to create a separately file. What I said that 80% in your future you will be going to using to the this method. Okay, how we need to do, we need to go over here plus sign and we need to make a separately file. Okay, whatever name you want you can give that. So right now suppose I am writing to the style, that is not meaning you also need to write the style. You can write what name you want. Okay, suppose I am going to write over here style dot CSS. What extension we are using? Dot CSS, cascading style sheet. Okay, let me hit to the enter button. You can check even the logo also will be going to change. Right now what happened, same whatever you rotate to the internal, you need to be a same write to the external also. Right now what I want to be write, I'm going to write over here h1 tag is the selector, I want to use to the color that purpose as a suppose red. Okay, red color I want to use, don't forget to the semicolon. Then again I want to be select to the p tag. Then again for that purpose I want color as a yellow. Then again I want to use to the b tag, bold tag. I want to use to the color for that purpose as a, okay, color I want to use as a blue. Okay, so same thing are happening. Control S saved. I rotate into the style.css, and then after what happened, see, I use the element selector over here, h1 p tag b tag. You can check h1 p tag b tag. I created separately file. You can check HTML is a separate file and the CSS is the separate file. Right now, if we can save that and you can go to the inside of the CSS, and if you refresh, still you can see that, okay, color is not applied. Why the reason? Because you need to link a CSS with your HTML. How, where we can link? We can go inside of the head section. After your title tag, you can create one as a link tag. See, there are the third number we have to the link CSS, link cascading style sheet. Let me hit enter over here. Now check it, link. I want a reference that is called style sheet, and href means what? My position, my path. Okay, so let me remove this path and let me write my path. So if I want to open my path, what I want to do, I want to be a put over here dot slash, then your this directory will be open. You can check inside I have the two files only. So what I am doing, I will be selecting style dot css, control S saved, and right now if you can go back to your CSS, you can check the styling is appear. So there are the three way we can add the CSS. Okay, let me pause the video.